Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone is expected to debut in late 2026, adopting a book-style design similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold rather than a clamshell form factor. The device will reportedly feature a 7.8-inch inner display, nearly crease-free thanks to advanced hinge technology, and a 5.5-inch outer screen, with a titanium stainless steel hinge and liquid metal components to enhance durability. When folded, it may measure 9 to 9.5 millimeters thick, thinning to 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters when unfolded, rivaling the sleekness of current ultra-thin Android foldables. Powering the device could be a next-gen Apple chipset, possibly an M-series variant, paired with high-density batteries optimized for extended use. Notably, Apple may replace Face ID with Touch ID embedded in the side button to save internal space. Pricing is projected to start between $2,000 to $2,500, positioning it as Apple's most expensive iPhone yet, though its integration with iOS, featuring foldable-specific multitasking and app continuity, and Apple's reputation for refinement could justify the premium. While mass production is slated for late 2026, analysts caution that Apple might delay or scrap the project if durability or cost targets aren't met.